Hello everyone. Today I'm doing this video to show the microphone of Comica, which is called boomx-d 2. I'll show you what will come inside the box, and actually I received it before 2 days, and the difference in the beginning of D1 and D2 is the transmitter. In D2, which is this model, will come with 2 transmitters with 1 receiver, but with D1 you'll get just 1 transmitter. Alright, but everything's the same, the function and everything, even the peripherals and the cables, everything will come, except with the D2 you'll get 2 Lavalier mic, which you're going to see inside this box. With D1 you'll get 1 Lavalier mic. Okay, let's open the box and see how is it and what's inside. First, you see the logo on the box here and magnetic box. Once I open the box, I'll find the 2 transmitter and 1 receiver. Here, as you can see, is a transmitter. It has 2 buttons on the side. The first one is to power it up or mute it. The second one is to pair it with the receiver. So I'll switch it on, but on the other side I'll show you first. Here you can find the Type-C charger port, which is good. It's not micro USB, it's a Type-C. And this hole is for resetting the setting of the transmitter. And on the top here you'll find the Lavalier mic input, okay, and the microphone itself. And in the back is a clip, which you can clip it on the camera straight away or in your pocket. Alright, let's power up the unit from the power button. Once it come up, here you'll find the icon of the wireless, that it's searching for the receiver. So let's switch on the receiver as well. Okay, here is the receiver. And before we switch it on, I'll show you on the side. On the side we'll find 3 buttons. The first one for the power, to power it up. The second one and the third one is for the DP, to increase it or decrease it for A and B. A and B belongs to the 2 transmitters. Alright, so I'll power it up now from the side. Once I power up, we will see it's already connected. Okay, let's go deep inside the box and see what comes with the transmitters and the receiver. The first thing, as usual, we'll find the manual here explaining everything and logo of Comica. The first pouch here we found the this wire or this cable. We can connect the receiver to the smartphone. Everything written here, which helps a lot. The second one as written here for cameras, Canon or Nikon or any camera. Alright. The third pouch it has another cable, and I see here written for Sony, Panasonic, everything written on the cables. And this pouch has a Type-C cable, so you can use it for charging all the transmitters and the receiver from here. It's Type-C. Okay, here you can find the muffs. Those muffs you can connect it to the transmitter. in case you want to record outside and there is noise, so it will reduce the noise. So we have this, and we have, I think, another one, because we have two transmitters here. So you'll get two of them with the D2 model. I think D1 you'll get just one for one transmitter. The other box, the second box in the top here, you'll find a reset pin. As I told you, every unit has a reset hole, as you can see here, so you can reset it by this pin, which is good. It has the Lavalier mics, two Lavalier microphones, each for every transmitter. The good point I found here, if you see on the transmitter on top the hole of the microphone, and there is like another hole, square hole beside, and this is a port that I'm going to put the cable. Once you put it, there is like click on the side just to catch the microphone. It will not come out, which is perfect. Thanks Comica for this. And once we click, it can come out easily. Okay, now this is everything about what comes inside the box of Comica BoomX D2. There's everything of it. Okay, and now I want to tell you that you hear my voice through the internal microphone of the camera. And now I will connect one of the microphone. I will connect one transmitter, and I will test it, and to see the difference between the voice from internal microphone of the camera and from Comica BoomX D2 outdoor test.
Hello guys, I'm here to test the Comica BoomX D2 microphone. My distance now from the source or from the camera is like 10 meters, so I will test further than that. Let me go far. Now I think it's like 20 meters, and I think you still hear me clear. This I'm using now the unit without the muffs or the dead cat, okay, which I don't like to call. But let's do put the muffs on the microphone to see the difference. Now I added the dead cat or the muffs. Now I think it's clear. I surrounded by noise, the river on my side and the people walking around, and now I'm coming closer to the camera to see the difference in the sound between when I'm far and when I'm closer to the camera. Here's my distance from the camera is like 3 meters, so still clear in it. So this is my test, and now I'll do the test with the Lavalier mic. All right. Okay, now I plugged the Lavalier mic and the unit in my pocket and adding the sponge on the mic. My distance from the camera is like 3 meters, so let's go further to make the test. Now I'm going further. I want to go like 20 meters. It's like 20 meters far now. Let's go further than that. Noise everywhere, car beside me now, and still the river and the people walking around. All right, and now I'm going to remove the sponge from the mic so you can test the difference between them. Okay, now I removed the sponge from the microphone. I'm coming closer to the camera. My distance still like 20 meters nearly, or 15 meters. Going closer to the camera. Weather is nice today. All right, now like 2 meters from the camera, and I think still the quality is good. Okay, this is my test for Comica BoomX D2, and I hope you'll get more information from this test and you will know how the quality of this microphone. Okay, I hope you enjoy it.